The days are getting shorter, and so too is my patience for this door switch problem. This repair is my favorite mix of zero cost, maximum annoyance, and a shiny excuse to put off a more important project. Door switches are simple enough. They basically just complete the circuit to ground on the chassis and turn on the lights on the interior. My issue could be the wire, the switch, or its ground connection, but my guess is probably a dirty switch contact. A quick check with some friendly alligators confirms the wire is fine, which is a relief. Let's switch over to the wooden workbench and see what's going on inside. Once we extricate this grommet, we can see the screw is a bit corroded, so that'll need a cleaning up. But I suspect the main issue is the contact between the shoulders of the pin and the housing of the switch. There's quite a bit of schmoo buildup. Now please enjoy this steel wool montage. This is the part where a competent mechanic would apply dielectric grease to insulate the contacts from moisture and corrosion. I don't have any, so I'll bring shame to my family and use white lithium grease instead. A fussy, longer than expected reassembly later, and we're finally ready to give it a try. Well, this is what we'd call a best case scenario in the biz. Now I get to enjoy the view of my torn back seat, complete with stereo lighting. Thanks for watching.